Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, April 21st, and we're going to take a look here at PLTR. This was one of the trades in the trade room. We had several really good ones, including shorts in the S&P today that played out well. Support break in MSTR, shorts and longs in Netflix, and then shorts in NVIDIA and PLTR. That being said, PLTR, our initial short was right here on the breakdown from about 92 3/4, where we had sold off and then consolidated, and we've seen broad market weakness. So we were just assuming we were going to see PLTR start to follow as well. So we took the initial short on the breakdown, hit our first targets as we hit the support here on the pre-market pivot lows. And then we had a re-entry short when we bounced back up and retested broken support, now as resistance, right back at that 92.75 level. And then your third entry was the breakthrough the 91.30 level. Played out really well. Our targets for this were 90. So it ended up hitting all our targets and exceeding them a bit more. And this has potential to keep heading south here. And if you were in the trade room, one of the first things we said this morning was based on our weekly price charts for the S&P that we thought there was potential for this to have a much larger down move. And our S&P ended up following through very nicely. We were looking for 5150 on ES, which we've obviously exceeded that a bit as well. Went further than we expected, but we were looking for 5150. We got it. Now our next target on this, I think we can see the S&P come all the way down to 5,000 again on S&P futures. So we're still operating within the context of this bearish bias overall. We're not trying to long anything against the market, and we're just catching short setups within the context of a broad market bias. So this is one of the ways that we trade when there's extreme volatility like this, is you get a bias from broad market and then drill down and find short-term entries within that context. But overall, not a bad day. But that's it for today. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you want to join us in the trading room and see these setups for yourself, learn to trade them yourself, just go to basecamptrading.com. But that's it for now. Until next time, everybody, happy Easter and happy trading.